Hey guys, and this is William Larson here, and welcome back to the Wheel Trains video. Today we have a new custom train from the San Francisco, and it looks pretty awesome, so I hope you're going to be excited today, but I really am. But it's almost Christmas Eve from Monday, and I hope you're so excited. Well, here comes the Southern Civic train is coming. Oh, before I show you custom, make sure you like my videos and subscribe, and hope you like my custom trains video. Well, maybe sometimes. Anyways, alright, let's get started. So, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you a new Southern Pacific train. Southern Pacific 4449. So here he is now. This is a Southern Civic 4449 Streamliner 4484 Northern. So this is a steam locomotive one. And I have all the tape all around it, make like a real Streamliner. Not even tender. This train is made from Gordon, because you can see the side rods and the windows as well. And the tender is made from Murdoch. But sadly, this train is the push car, but the other one is powered, so it can go really fast. Like that. And also, I have another Southern Civic train. So, I guess they're both. I have both Southern Civic trains now. So, which one I like better? Southern Pacific diesel train or Southern Civic 4449 steam locomotive one? So, which one I like better? That one or that one? I think I will go to that one because it's much really bigger train. Let's take this engine out of the way. Sorry, diesel train. Alright, let's go take a look at a push car. Come on. Okay, there we go. So, here he is. And there's a Cyrots, it says 4449. Okay, it's made from Gordon. And I at the front here. Let's take a look at his tender. It runs oil instead of coal. It has a coal now, I cannot do that. We're still continuing the video, and there's a light. Alright, and I think that's about it. So, I guess, I'm fairly sad about this, but this is a short episode. But, we thank God you liked the Southern Civic train. I did the Southern Civic train from the 3rd episode. Go check it out from my 3rd episode. So, I think that's about it from the Southern Civic train. Of my custom train. If you like my videos, please give it a subscribe. And give me text. And click that little bell. I hope you join from the Wheel Trains videos. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye.